Good morning, everyone. Are you tired of feeling sluggish, reaching for coffee, or dragging through your mornings? Today we're diving into one simple thing you can eat every morning that can supercharge your energy, improve focus, and kickstart your metabolism, without complicated diets or expensive supplements. And no, it's not just oats, eggs, or avocado toast like everyone else says. This is something most people overlook, but once you add it to your mornings, your body will thank you. Stick around because we're also sharing ways to combine it with simple habits to make your energy levels skyrocket all day long. First, let's talk about why mornings can feel like such a struggle. Most people grab a sugary snack or coffee, which gives a quick spike but a crash later, skip breakfast entirely and feel foggy for hours. The problem? Your body needs sustained fuel, not quick sugar bursts. And that's where this morning superfood comes in. This combo keeps blood sugar stable, supports digestion, provides long-lasting energy, even boosts mental clarity. And the best part? It's simple, affordable, and can be prepared in under 5 minutes. Okay, now let's break down why this works so well. Slow-releasing carbs. Unlike sugar, these carbs give your body energy over hours instead of minutes. Healthy fats, nuts, seeds, or avocado in your breakfast keep your brain sharp and your hunger in check. Protein punch. Protein helps repair muscles overnight and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. Phytonutrients and antioxidants. Found in berries, cacao, or other toppings, they fight inflammation and support focus. Basically, this breakfast is engineered by nature to wake up your body and brain together, without the jitters or crashes you get from coffee alone. Now, let's make it delicious, because a boring breakfast won't stick. Sweet twist, add a handful of berries, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Nutty upgrade, add almonds, walnuts, or even a spoonful of nut butter. Texture magic, sprinkle chia seeds or flax for crunch and extra nutrients. Flavor hacks, a tiny pinch of sea salt brings out all the flavors in nuts and yogurt. The idea is to make it irresistible, so your body and brain are excited for fuel first thing in the morning. Eating it alone is great, but pairing it with tiny habits makes the energy boost even stronger. Move for 2 minutes after breakfast, walk around, stretch, or even do light jumping jacks. This kickstarts circulation and keeps energy steady. Hydrate smartly. Start with a glass of water with a splash of lemon. Not just caffeine. Sunlight exposure. 5 minutes near a window helps reset your internal clock, boosting alertness naturally. These habits aren't huge commitments, they just amplify the energy effect of your breakfast. If you eat this breakfast consistently, here's what you can expect over time. Steady, all-day energy, no more 3 p.m. crashes, improved focus and productivity, better digestion and gut health, weight management without starving yourself, stronger metabolism and better muscle recovery. It's amazing how something so simple and consistent can make such a huge difference. So, start tomorrow morning with this breakfast and notice how your energy changes. It's easy, effective, and totally doable. We share plenty of practical, life-changing health tips like this every week, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos to discover more ways to feel stronger, healthier, and full of energy every single day.